In this video, I will explain the requirements you must meet in order to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed in the state of Florida. So, keep watching. Hey future CPAs, this is Ala Abudaya. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and I help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If this is your first time here and you're interested in becoming CPAs, start by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell in order not to miss any of my videos. To qualify to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Florida, there are certain requirements you must meet. Comment below and tell me if you are planning to apply to Florida State Board of Accountancy. Now, Florida does not have any age or citizenship or residency requirements to sit for the exam. However, Florida requires you to have a United States Social Security number for licensing purposes. With that said, Florida is not suitable for international candidates. If you want other state options that are more suitable for international candidates, watch these videos which I gave some suitable states. Now, with respect to the educational requirements you must meet to sit for the CPA exam in Florida, you must have completed a minimum of 120 credit hours, including 24 semester hours in accounting, above the introductory courses. The 24 accounting semester hours must include taxation, auditing, financial accounting, and cost accounting. Also, you must have 24 semester credit hours in business courses above introductory courses, which must include 3 semester hours in business law. If you studied outside the United States or studied in an unaccredited school, you must submit an evaluation of your foreign credentials, which must be completed by an evaluation service approved by Florida Board of Accountancy. Does that make sense? Comment below and tell me if you meet these educational requirements. So these are the requirements to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Florida. An important note I want to mention here is that this state allows you to sit for the CPA exam in the United States and in international locations as well. Concerning the licensing requirements, they are different from the CPA exam requirements. Watch this video which I explain the differences between the CPA sit-in requirements and CPA licensing requirements. To be licensed in Florida, you must meet the 3E requirements and not the 4 E's as required by most states, since this state does not have an ethics exam requirement. So, you have to meet the following 3E requirements, which are E number 1, education. Florida requires you to have a minimum of 150 credit hours to be licensed and not 120 hours as required to sit for the exam. The 150 credit hours must include 30 semester hours in accounting courses above introductory levels, which must include the courses you were required to have to sit for the exam, which are the taxation, auditing, financial, and cost or managerial accounting. Also, the 150 credit hours must include 36 general business hours above introductory levels, which must include the 3 semester hours of business law, which were also required for you to sit for the exam. The second E you must meet in order to be eligible for licensing in Florida is passing the 4 parts of the CPA exam. Watch this video to learn the 4 parts of the CPA exam, and to get more tips and tricks to pass the CPA exam, make sure to watch these 4 videos which I gave you tips and tricks to pass the FAR part, audit part, RIG part, and BEC part. And finally, the third E you must have is the experience. You must have 1 year of experience verified by a licensed CPA providing any type of service or advice involving the use of accounting, attest, compilations, management advisory, financial advisory, tax, or consulting skills. This experience is acceptable if it was gained through employment in government, industry, academia, or public practice. Keep in mind that you must apply for licensure in Florida within 3 years of receiving the notification from NASPA of passing the last part of the exam. If you don't apply for licensure within a 3-year period, Your CPA examination grades will be expired and you must reapply and retake the CPA examination. Comment below and tell me if you meet the 3E requirements or not. To learn the step-by-step process to apply and schedule your CPA exams, make sure to get your CPA exam cheat sheet. It's in the link below, in the description below. It is totally free. So make sure to get this cheat sheet, which I give you step-by-step process to apply to your CPA exam and schedule the exam. So make sure to get this sheet. Watch this video to learn my CPA exam success story. And get my CPA exam success book from Amazon today. It's in the link below. So go ahead and get this book. In this book, I explain how I was able to pass the CPA exam despite the difficulties I faced in my life, and how my study schedules and study plans exactly looked like. So go ahead and get this book. The link is in the description below. Once you read the book, please go ahead and give it a short review on Amazon. I'll be very thankful for you. My next video will be about Texas CPA exam requirements. So make sure to subscribe to this channel in order to get this video. Also, watch this video which I give some tips to help you increase your CPA exam score, and this video which I give you tips to study smarter for the CPA exam. Remember, go after what you want, pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.